Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, and I'm right here. So we are going to make Caesar salad dressing. And the first thing I'm going to do is put 2 eggs in semi-boiling water. It is kind of hot, and I'm going to just kind of get the, leave it in about a minute. Trader Joe's garlic, it's going to go into my little food processor. I'm going to put 4 in because we are going to make Caesar salad, and Caesar salad is so good with lots of garlic. We're going to then squeeze some anchovy paste in. Again, quite a nice generous amount. I also have canned anchovies that I will use in this. Okay, so we've got that happening. Going to take a little bit of Dijon mustard. I find Trader Joe's is a really good one. Nice healthy tablespoon or 2 of that. Okay. Some Worcestershire sauce. And a little Tabasco. Okie dokie. Some crushed red pepper, because everything's better with crushed red pepper. Some black pepper. Going to take these eggs out of this very hot water. Okay. I think I'll move this just a little so you can see. All right, gonna crack this little guy open and just get the yolk. All right. All right, so put the yolk in there. Doing 2. Got my Cutco spatula. Pretty much can do anything. It's just the best tool. Oh, that's not cracked as well as I would like it, but that's okay. We're still getting the goodness of that egg. And we've got that. Wash my paws. Get that done. And we're going to get some olive oil. So my trick is I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil, but I'm also going to use, I know this probably breaks other people's hearts, but I don't like it to be too green tasting. So I'm putting a little canola oil in there too. And we've got some fresh lemon juice. So we're going to put lemon juice in there. All right. Alrighty, Roo. All right. And a little bit of red wine vinegar. Not raspberry, this is the wrong stuff. Yeah, we'll just put more lemon. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon into this measuring cup. Easier to get it into the little food processor. Ooh, nice and juicy, that lemon. All right. And get this little guy to sit down correctly. Here we go. And there you have it. So, little homemade, I know people make them all different ways, and my friend Larry was telling me to make it in the bowl, like right when the guests are here, but I'm doing it this way just because I need to make a double batch. So, It's what's cooking, homemade Caesar salad dressing.